Number 1. Meluna Classic. A lot of people in menstrual cup land talk about finding your Goldilocks cup, the one that fits you just right. We think the Meluna is the perfect place to start your search because it falls into the middle of the pack when it comes to firmness, size, and shape, so it's easy to fold for insertion, but also pops open easily and stays open inside of you. Though all the cups we tested came in at least 2 sizes, Meluna has more options when it comes to customizing the size, shape, and firmness of your cup. What that means is that you can change just one variable at a time when you're trying to figure out what works best for you, instead of starting all over again with a new cup if this one isn't perfect. Number 2. Meluna Shorty. People with low cervixes often have the hardest time finding a menstrual cup that fits, because most cups are too long. More on how to figure this out in the Our Pick section. The Meluna Shorty is one of the few cups designed specifically for low cervixes, and compared with the other low cervix cups we tested, this one was far easier to fold, insert, remove, and clean. With a low cervix cup, you do sacrifice volume. Because the cup is smaller, it can hold less blood, but comfort is more important than having to change the cup a bit more frequently. Number 3. Diva Cup. The Diva Cup is the cup most people start with, but we think it's actually not a great starter cup because it's one of the longest cups we tested, which means that anybody who has a medium or short cervix might find it uncomfortable. But if you have a high cervix, the Diva Cup works really well, is smooth and comfortable, and holds a lot of blood. It does have a hollow stem, which can collect blood and other tissue easier than solid stems, but we don't think that's a deal breaker. Number 4. Lena Cup. The Lena Cup is a bit wider and a lot smoother than many of the cups available. The Lena feels great. The silicone it's made out of is really smooth and makes it a breeze to insert and remove. Its wider design also helps prevent leaks for those who have a wide vagina. And the solid stem doesn't collect any blood or other tissue, so it's easier to clean than some of the cups with hollow stems. The best menstrual cup for you will probably depend on what your internal vagina shape is like. But we've learned a lot in our tests about what makes a good menstrual cup aside from sizing, like material and shape, and a lot of good ones are available. In this guide, we'll also help you try to find the cup that matches your anatomy best.